Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Happy day 2 of saving $6-ish a day. So I am bringing $10 to $12 a day. I do have 12 again today. So I am going to go back and come back here where I have my category for the month, which is $1,000, saving for my 1,000th video. So I have, yesterday I rolled a 6, so I didn't have any extra, but if I have extra, it's going to go into my daily savings to be able to save a little bit more each month, but I'm also working towards a bigger goal of my 1,000th video that I did, and I'm trying to save $1,000. So I am bringing this out on my Friday videos. It's free in my Ko-fi. So let's do our day 2 roll, and I don't know why I took all the money out. So I have $12 today. So let's use an Ursula again. Day 2 roll. Oh my gosh, I can't make this up. I got another 6. Here I thought I'd be like, I'm gonna roll 1s, so I'm gonna be able to save so much every day. Nope. All right, so we have $12 in here, and I'm gonna color in one more circle. And that means we have $6 going into our daily. In this circle, there's 31, so it's just representing just how many days. So instead of writing in the number, I am just going to color in the circle because I like to color in circles. So I can't believe we have $12 in there. So at some point, I don't know if I'm going to take it out and when I'm going to move it over to my Friday video, so we will find out together. So let's go up to the front and put our $6 in our bank. We do not need to add any prop coins. We will keep the $6 in prop coins, which is all 25s. And we are going to start at the paper clip. And I am going to do it this way again. And let me know which way you guys like better. If you like me laying it down or if you like me flipping through the book. I'm curious. I think I like laying it down, doing it. But afterwards, I like having my tray for putting like the coins down and all that. So we'll see. All right, so I'm going to roll a D3. We are going to start at number 3, and we are going to put 2 coins down. So how are you guys doing? Are you having a nice weekend? 3 for 4, 3 for 5, 3 for 6. Oh my goodness. These dashboards and all the prop coins are from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. I love the blue and yellow. 1 for 2. It is so pretty. 1 for 3. 3 for 4. 2 for 5. Spinning into a 1 for 6, and we can go back up to 1. We have a few left. 2 for 1, we have 2 left. 1's going to 2. 1 will go to 3, and then we will start at number 4 next time. And I forgot to look for my paper clip yesterday, so I will do that at some point. Okay, so let's see how I want to do this. We'll scoot you out of the way. Put our markers here. Trying to be mindful of the glare. All right, number, like that, that's crazy. All right, number 1 got 75 cents. And number 1 is from Mindy at SW Fanatics Saves. It's my little Shark Week. He's watching Shark Channel. So we can do 3 TVs. So 1, 2, and 3. And these markers are Pen and Gear Classic markers, broad line. And I like it because the colors are really like actually what it looks like on the marker. All right, so that one's done. See, this is why I like doing it this way, because I can use that much easier. So 25 and 25 is 50 cents. Let's see how this one fared. Not too bad. It is coming up a little bit. I might go over it with a Sharpie. Sharpies love laminated stuff. Let's see, let's use a green. Do I have a green? All right, so we can do 2 more arrows. I did not know if it would let me go over that, and it did. Okay. So we have $1 in there. That one's from Savin' with Sam. That was one of her first little freebies she gave out way back when. She's so sweet. Okay, number 3 is Kimmy's Corner. I just read the dashboard. Number 3 got $1. Number 3 is actually one of mine. This is free on my Ko-fi. It's Little Sharks Going Back to School. So we can do 4 more X's. Let's see, what does the yellow do? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just curious. Nice. Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman lunchbox. I would love a Wonder Woman lunchbox. I wonder if I'd use it, like just pack up my lunch the night before and then bring it in, walk it into my office at lunchtime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. So $1.50 going into number 4. Oh, this is from Cynthia Budgets. Look at how pretty that is. Who wants to be there right now? I do. Okay, so we can do 6 more. Wow. All right, let's use the pink. So we can do 1, 2, 3, and 4 for $1, and then 50 cents, 25 and 50. Oh, now I see that there's a little 50 cent down in the corner. Not the wrapper, but a little 50 cent, you know what I mean. Okay, so that is going to save us $4. All right, number 5 got 1, 2, 3, and 4, so $1.25. That cute one. Definitely not sledding anytime soon around here in Vegas. It's pretty warm. So we can do 5 more. Are those mittens? I think they're mittens. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. I wonder if it's better to just color this one in because it's kind of light. There. Perfect. Let's see, number 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So number 6 got $1. Number 6 is from Amanda O. She was the quarter days winner of a challenge created for Greece over at Kimmy's Corner. So we can do 4 more. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have $1.25 more, and this one will be done. So I don't know if you guys ever saw the show Dresden Files. I feel like it was only like an episode, not an episode, but like a season. But I know there's books. I have some on my Kindle, but I never finished reading it. So, okay, it looks like we did not finish any, which is not a problem. Let's go back and put our prop coin. Don't need to do that. Put our prop coins away. They're all 25 cents. And we have nothing to stuff. So we are all set for day 3 tomorrow. So I hope you come back and join me. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.